English speaking practice. 200 common questions and answers in everyday life.
Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. Yes, I love cooking.
Do you like tennis? Do you like tennis?
Yes, I am good at tennis. Yes, I am good at tennis.
Do I have to study? Do I have to study?
Yes, you have to study a lot for better results. Yes, you have to study a lot for better results.
Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I like to drink coffee. Yes, I like to drink coffee.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well. A little, but not very well.
Do you know that place? Do you know that place?
Sorry, I don't. Sorry, I don't.
What does your father do? What does your father do?
My father is a banker. My father is a banker.
Do you smoke? Do you smoke?
No, I don't like smoking. No, I don't like smoking.
Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Sorry, repeat again. Sorry, repeat again.
Do you know me? Do you know me?
Yes, you are Zara's cousin. Yes, you are Zara's cousin.
Do you know him? Do you know him?
Yes, he is my brother. Yes, he is my brother.
Do you love me? Do you love me?
Yes, I love you so much. Yes, I love you so much.
Why do you ask me? Why do you ask me?
Because, I love you. Because, I love you.
Do you like rap? Do you like rap?
Yes, I love rap. Yes, I love rap.
What do you need? What do you need?
Actually, I need your help. Actually, I need your help.
What do you have? What do you have?
I have a lot of money. I have a lot of money.
What do you want? What do you want?
I want to be your boyfriend. I want to be your boyfriend.
Do you have a car? Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a new car. Yes, I have a new car.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat.
Do you like dance? Do you like dance?
Yes, I like dance. Yes, I like dance.
Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand.
Do you want money? Do you want money?
Yes, I want money for shopping. Yes, I want money for shopping.
When do you study? When do you study?
I study every morning. I study every morning.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in New York. I live in New York.
Do you play soccer? Do you play soccer?
Yes, I play soccer every day. Yes, I play soccer every day.
Do you like surfing? Do you like surfing?
Yes, I love surfing. Yes, I love surfing.
Do you have a fever? Do you have a fever?
Yes, I have a fever of 103 degrees. Yes, I have a fever of 103 degrees.
Are you afraid of snakes? Are you afraid of snakes?
Yes, I am very afraid of snakes. Yes, I am very afraid of snakes.
Why did he do that? Why did he do that?
Because he's mad. Because he's mad.
Do you have a tattoo? Do you have a tattoo?
Yes, I like tattoos. Yes, I like tattoos.
Do you have blankets? Do you have blankets?
No, but I need a blanket. No, but I need a blanket.
Do you have a ticket? Do you have a ticket?
No, I am going to buy a ticket. No, I am going to buy a ticket.
What should I do now? What should I do now?
You should go now. You should go now.
Do you have any girlfriend? Do you have any girlfriend?
No, I haven't. Will you be my girlfriend? No, I haven't. Will you be my girlfriend?
Do you need this book? Do you need this book?
Yes. I am requesting this book. Yes. I am requesting this book.
Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel. Yes, I like to travel.
Do you give to charity? Do you give to charity?
Yes, I love to donate. Yes, I love to donate.
Do you have everything? Do you have everything?
No, I need new car. No, I need new car.
What do you want to be? What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor.
Do you want to be rich? Do you want to be rich?
Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
I want to earn a lot of money. I want to earn a lot of money.
Do you feel like eating? Do you feel like eating?
Yes, I feel like eating. Yes, I feel like eating.
Do you talk to your cat? Do you talk to your cat?
Yes, sometimes, but not always. Yes, sometimes, but not always.
What do you do in Canada? What do you do in Canada?
I have a business in Canada. I have a business in Canada.
Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework?
Yes, I have finished my homework. Yes, I have finished my homework.
Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Yeah, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Do you have many friends? Do you have many friends?
Yeah, I have many friends. Yeah, I have many friends.
Do you know how to drive? Do you know how to drive?
Yes, I have completed a driving course. Yes, I have completed a driving course.
Do you often eat sweets? Do you often eat sweets?
No, sometimes. No, sometimes.
What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
I'm going to buy a car. I'm going to buy a car.
What do you do on Saturday? What do you do on Saturday?
I play sports on Saturdays. I play sports on Saturdays.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
Are you a coffee or tea person? Are you a coffee or tea person?
I prefer tea, especially herbal teas. I prefer tea, especially herbal teas.
When do you usually get up? When do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 6 a.m. I usually get up at 6 a.m.
What time do you go home? What time do you go home?
I go home at 7 p.m. I go home at 7 p.m.
Do you working on Sundays? Do you working on Sundays?
No. No.
Do you like Japanese food? Do you like Japanese food?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What do you want to drink? What do you want to drink?
I want to drink tea. I want to drink tea.
Do you go to work by bus? Do you go to work by bus?
Yes. Yes.
How long do I have to wait? How long do I have to wait?
About 2 hours. About 2 hours.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you have any hobbies or interests? Do you have any hobbies or interests?
I love photography in my free time. I love photography in my free time.
What's your favorite season of the year? What's your favorite season of the year?
I enjoy the beauty of autumn. I enjoy the beauty of autumn.
Thanks for watching. See you next video soon.